This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Raise the bonnet slightly, then move the safety catch lever to the side. Fully lift the bonnet, unclip the support prop and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge bracket. The air filter housing is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Unclip the air intake duct from the bracket. And disconnect it from the base of the housing. Squeeze together the clip each side and disconnect the engine breather hose. Slacken the clamp securing the filter duct to the throttle body. Rotate the fastener 90 degrees. Pull the filter housing duct from the throttle body and lift it from place. Undo the screws and detach the filter housing cover. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove any debris from the housing and wipe away any dirt. Locate the new element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the cover and securely tighten the retaining screws. Maneuver the filter housing into place and reconnect it to the throttle body. Secure the housing to the mounting bracket by rotating the fastener 90 degrees. Tighten the throttle body duct clamp and push the engine breather hose onto the intake port. Reconnect the intake duct to the base of the housing and clip it into the bracket. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.